Got a DSG file from a technical illustration project? This vector format powers professional technical drawings in Corel Designer. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with Corel Designer files. Just so you know, the key to the final solution is understanding how to leverage a dedicated, high-value DSG file inspection utility that offers versatile support for countless formats. A vector graphics file created with Corel Designer, a technical illustration software that is part of the CorelDRAW Technical Suite. Users create DSG files to produce precise technical drawings, diagrams, and schematics with annotations and callouts. The intent is to create and share detailed visual documentation. The DSG format is a proprietary, container-based binary file, similar in structure to Corel's main CDR format. It is designed to store complex vector objects, layers, text, bitmap images, and metadata specific to technical illustration, such as dimension lines, ensuring all project elements are preserved with high fidelity. The initial software setup links the DSG file directly to Corel Designer by Corel Corporation. Windows allows basic viewing, but true content manipulation requires a specialized application. Windows displays simple previews, but robust editing requires dedicated vector graphics applications. The quickest way to solve the failure is testing all options. Right-click the DSG file and hit Open With. Use Corel Designer if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the correct software handler. If you still can't open the DSG file, it's okay. When the file won't budge, the error is typically related to 3 simple things. Use the following checklist to quickly identify the issue that persists. First, opening in Corel Designer. Install Corel Designer as part of CorelDRAW Technical Suite or as a standalone application. Open DSG files via File, then Open. The complete technical drawing loads with all annotations, dimensions, and styling intact, ready for review, modification, or printing for technical documentation purposes. Next, converting to CDR or PDF, export DSG content to CorelDRAW. CDR, PDF, or other vector formats using File, then Export within Corel Designer. PDF exports preserve technical illustration appearance for distribution to colleagues without specialized software, while CDR enables compatibility with the broader CorelDRAW ecosystem. Finally, importing to AutoCAD. Export DSG drawings to DWG or DXF formats for use in AutoCAD or other CAD software. The exported files maintain technical drawing precision, enabling cross-platform technical illustration workflows. CAD software users can review and incorporate technical drawings without requiring Corel Designer installation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.